everyone, welcome to our channel Aathreya Education. Myself Aathreya. In this video, we will be seeing about HTML heading tags. HTML heading tags. Heading tags are used to display titles and subtitles onto the web page. H1 to H6 tags are used to define headings. H1 defines the most important heading tag, which is big in size. And H6 defines least important heading tag, which is small in size. Search engines use the heading tags to the index, structure, and content of the web page. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and create a new click on File and New File to create a new file. Let's save the file. Let me save it on my desktop and giving it as headings.html. Now let's start typing the code. Give the tag HTML and under the HTML tag, give the tag head. In the head tag, give the tag title and give the title as headings. After that, give the tag body and under the body tag, give the tag h1 and give this is heading 1. After that, give the tag h2 and give this is heading 2. After that, give the tag h3 and give this is heading 3. After that, give the tag h4 and give this is heading 4. After that, give the tag h5 and give this is heading 5. After that, give the tag h6 and give this is heading 6. And this completes our code. Click on Ctrl S. Click Ctrl S on your keyboard to save the file. After that, go to the desktop and here we can find a file headings.html. Double click to open that one. And here it shows this is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and this is heading 6, which we have typed in tags in the body tag. And here we can find the title as heading, which we have typed in the title tag. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.